I'm gonna record this because I'm recording. I am recording right now. I am right now connected to two different job scanners. They're pretty much these two guys right here, these two clowns. So first, here's my Mr. Henderson from a different company. His company is called Practitioner, supposedly. Here's the screw it, I'll just show it. Why not? So they send these over in these OneDrive. You can sort of tell they did some snap shoot here crap they got going on. It's just bad photoshopping, and they're trying to instill here that that this is not the most broken up piece of crap work. All right, so the selections are you're gonna get paid hourly for. Let's see what else. So if I go to practitioner here, practitioner is an actual company. So I've already done the AI thing, looked up where it's being referenced in Forbes. Um, I mean, Forbes really doesn't say anything but directly. These are all jobs that are coming from Career Builder, by the way. These are from Career Builder, which they need to do something better about what they're allowing as fraud. I haven't put any money. I haven't done anything. I haven't lost anything. I told them that they required me to have a printer, scanner for some reason. Um, they both asked for it. So this guy right here is from supposedly Planasa. Planasa. If you look up the company shows up. It's an actual company, Planasa company. And here's another one of these cloud forums. These guys tried to make it better. And these guys actually put the website. And if you go, the website does show up, Planasa. So everything looks like, it's pointing properly. We are the company. But why would I be doing data entry for a company that just makes better varieties of fruits and vegetables? And why am I getting paid so much when this type of job, somebody in some another country can do it for a lot less? I'm just curious what they're trying to achieve. And the one thing that comes always as a reference is that they both have a question about petty cash. Oh, do you know what petty cash is? You know what it's for? And that's their main question. I'm trying to see if I can find that interview question about the petty cash. They asked me, what do I want to work as? Man, give me management. I'm a manager. And lo and behold, I want the job. Hey, welcome to Planasa. If I click on here, I get taken to an About Us in Planasa. Shows up. Checking out so far. Must be the way this innovative plant company is running everything through a OneDrive share. I looked up the CEO, Michael Brinkman. He does show up. He's an actual person. So I think I'm going to reach out to Planasa as well to inform them that there is a companies committing fraud, or people trying to commit fraud. And I'm going to do the same thing for practitioner later on. I know that they have nothing to blame here, but um, they're being used for fraud, so they need to release some type of warning or something. Mm, So here we go. Still waiting for what the hell I'm supposed to do, but here we have so far clue number one. Navy, they're asking me for this is my dress code here from completely different company, Planasa. I go to Mr. Marcus Henderson, and lo and behold, same exact. I mean, how close is it? It's slight little changes, but it's basically word for word. Blouses with interesting details. Whoops, let me remove that. Probably woke them up now. And then the funny thing is that these large companies require this. software. It's always going to be Office 365 for Business, Zero, Sage, Intuit, QuickBooks, blah, 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 blah. The rest, Avast, like, it's just an antivirus, right? Why am I need to become an expert on antivirus plans? Especially if I'm doing data entry, I'm not doing any system configuration. So if this was back end of us, I would not be the guy that's running it. In other words, server-based corporate Avast, or Avast, however you pronounce it. Email lead grabber by eGrabber. Um, they asked me, do I know how to work with these softwares? I got some experience. I can sort of tell by inference that lead grabber and SendMail would be the same thing. Um, why this company would need these exact requirements. And then also Mr. Eric over here, also the same configuration. I think, yeah, it's the same thing. Same exact thing. So both of these companies need exactly these components and they need to work with Intuit QuickBooks, which any company that's worth anything, a few $1 million is not going to be using QuickBooks. They all want to know, where's that? Petty cash, here you go. Define the term petty cash as you understand it. Um, so answer these questions. Went on to here for a few seconds. Hey, I'm looking for work at home, so I answered it as hot as possible, but then I started picking up the fraud pretty quickly, and then now it's just like, okay, let me lay it on thick. Let me see what I can get out of you. Um, I don't know what their actual fraud is or what they're going to attempt to do, but I guess I'm on standby right now. Let me see. Nobody is catching this fraud, but at least I'm recording it. I'm going to send a link to the companies once I'm done telling them that, hey, there was people using Career Builder. And I'm also going to inform Career Builder. One of these fraudsters. Um, I don't know what else to say. I guess I'm gonna. Oh, these guys increased the rate by $45 per hour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start reaching out to people myself. Hey, this company is also fraud. Oh, I don't think so. Uh, Just making sure that people are not screwed over. All right. Nope. No questions. But yeah, they both required me to have a printer with a scanner, so I told them, yeah, I'm getting my printer ordered tomorrow. Oh. Or delivered today. Um, nope, no questions. I am ready to rock and roll, Mr. Eric Verastegui Calderon. Let me see. See if I can find out what it's called. Find. Notice how they'll have no LinkedIn at all. You contact information is hidden. So, or there, I left somewhere. Her. Oh my God. An automated time tracker? I can get one. What time do I need to use? Since they're deciding to waste my day, I'm going to decide to waste their day. It's actually making me really upset that they would just. Right, so this is the guy making content, and this is. I'm just going to verify this. Da, da, da. He's got content. Sure. Probably gonna have to do something with gift cards. Both have the same issue. Sure. One you recommended. Whole company database is currently loading. Same problem with this clown over here. Amazing. Oh, Jesus Christ. What's login? I'm gonna copy this over here. Maybe it's just, maybe this is the actual front and everything else is just set up. I refreshed the page. Okay. Oh, so That was really kind of so now let's look for the same thing for petition. Oh, there we go. Oh, what, okay. They are the fraud. Intelligence, sources. Now this is, boy, so let's go down this rabbit hole. Let's see who is practitioner.com. Probably gonna have it hidden. Practitioner.com. Who is? Oh, everything about this says wrong. I think these guys are themselves the fraud, and this company might as well be the fraud. It's all a front. These guys. No, I'm not gonna pay the 199. What? Why do I need to pay for this? It's the same person. Next to So I think he caught himself having dual conversations here. And here he talks about the time tracker, and then here he responds. It's the same person. Let's do a planasa.com. Who is? We'll probably have the same dates. Also pretty recent. No, no, no. They've been out for a while. Okay. No, they seem like a company that just way. So this one's basically answering me the same thing. Sure, what's the link? Yeah, yeah. Of course, I'm gonna get a certified check and mail to me tomorrow. Certified check. But the emails are getting played right now. If it's the same person, they know now that they're getting shaped. I mean, they're getting read the wrong way, and they know what they're doing. I want to know. Wow. Hmm. Now, I want to know what the result numbers because I'm also going to report them. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm done with this. I think he's worried now. I'm going to shut them down. I'm going to kill their Zelle and I'm going to kill their Cash App. They're not going to commit fraud. They may be looking for work, but I'm not a dishonorable piece of crap. Everything about this site says shitty. I mean, actually, you can find this around for Instagram. That's what it does. It's got the claims information. This guy's Mr. Practitioner over here. Practitioner.com. Yes. I mean, what is the information for both so I can send the money and get time tracker? Come on, give it up. Give up the scam. Oh, Jesus Christ. I so want to be done with this already. It's all so scammy, man. Let's see if I can get anything. I'm pretty sure. There you go. Also hidden. Where's his LinkedIn? Mr. Marcus Henderson. No LinkedIn. No nothing. Please be on standby. Nothing yet. All right. I'm gonna keep on with these guys. I'm just gonna record what I'm doing, and I think that I am going to expose everything I can about them, but it's gonna take a while. I don't want to keep you guys on here forever. So I'll be back for some more.